PL index. PL index indicates the effectiveness of the contraceptive or is an index of the contraception failure. PL index is called as so it was developed by the Raymond Pill. It is used for studying the effectiveness of the contraceptive. The number of pregnancies include all pregnancies, whether it has terminated as a live birth, stillbirth, or absence, or has not yet terminated. Method in applying the above formula. The total accidental pregnancy shown in the numerator must include every known conception, whatever it outcomes. The factor is 1200 is the number of months in the 100 years. The total month of the exposure in the denominator is obtained by deducting from the period under the review for 10 months for a full-term pregnancy and 4 months for an abortion. Three kinds of information are needed to calculate a PL index for the particular study. The total number months or cycle of the exposure by women in the study, the number of pregnancies, the reason for leaving the study, pregnancy or other reason. Drawbacks. PL index is a failure rate for 100 women years. The most fertile couples will get pregnant in the beginning of the study and will no longer be counted in the denominator. Couples remaining later in the study or on the average or the low fertility. With most birth control method, the effectiveness increases with experience. The longer a couple in the study, the better it gets at using the method. So the longer the study, the length, the lower the PL index will be. Hence, the comparison of the PL indexes from the studies of the different length cannot be accurate. Calculation of the PL index is the number of pregnancy into 1200 by number of women into number of months. It is a measure of the potency of the contraceptives. It is a failure rate by 100 women years. Total accidental pregnancy is imported in the calculation of the PL index.